welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to disable incognito mode from Google Chrome. First of all, in order to disable incognito mode, we have to go to incognito mode, which is if you want to go to incognito mode, we have to go to this right hand side and click on this three button. Click on new incognito mode. So it will create a new window. Okay. First of all, we have to know why incognito mode uh, really helps us, because if you go into incognito mode, this is the things that will help us, which is your browsing history will not be saved, your cookies will not be saved, the information that you entered will not be saved. So most of the person who go to incognito mode don't want their browsing history to be saved or cookies to be saved, and they want to like browse in a very private manner. So if you want to browse something in a very private way or browse something more privately, you can use this incognito mode from Google Chrome. So in order to disable this, we need to go to this three icon, click on there, go to here incognito, which is this one, and just simply click on close this profile. If you just simply click on close this profile, it will automatically close the profile of your incognito mode, and it will take back to your original Google Chrome interface. So within the very simple steps, you can easily disable your incognito mode and come back to your original Google Chrome interface. So if you like our video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what kind of videos do you like from us. And if you like the video, please do share with your friends and family. Thank you.